A very good morning, my dear children. Are you happy? Are you ready to learn something new? In today's maths class, we are going to learn Unit 1 numbers. Before that, I will give you 15 seconds to bring your 3B notebook and your pencil box. Your time starts now. Make it fast. Quick. Bring your 3B notebook. Come fast, children. Only few seconds. Come fast. Okay. I hope you're having your notebook with you. Unit 1 numbers. In that, we are going to see multiplication, symbols of multiplication and dot multiplication. First, I'm going to teach you multiplication. Multiplication is adding the same number to a specified number of times. Don't get confused. I will give example. Can you look at this picture? How many strawberries are there? Yes. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we'll write 6. So plus, in next box, how many strawberries are there? Say 6. So we'll write 6 plus 6. Multiplication is a quicker way to add without repeatedly. Multiplication is a quicker way to add without repeatedly. This is the symbol of multiplication. So we'll look this. Can we see the same picture? Okay. How many strawberries are there? 6. So we'll write 6 there. How many boxes are there? Yes, 3 boxes. So 6 into how many boxes? 3. So we'll write 3 equal to 18. Okay, that box is called as a group. One box is called as a group. So how many groups are there? We have 3 groups. Okay, shall we see one more example? Okay, now look at, can you see this picture? How many burgers are there? 3. How many groups are there? Group means how many boxes. So how many groups are there? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we'll write it. First, how will you write? 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equal to 15. We'll write for 5 times. Instead of that, we can write 3. How many groups? Yes, we'll use the symbol into how many groups? 5. So 3 into 5 equal to 15. Okay, are you clear? We'll just write the number. In each box, how many burgers are there? So we'll write 3. We'll use the symbol, into symbol. So how many groups are there? 5. So we'll write it 5. So 3 into 5 is 15. Okay, now shall we see the next example? Can you look at this picture? How many leaves are there? Yes, 5. So we'll write 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 because we have 4. So we'll write 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 equal to 20. So we are going to use it in the multiplication. So in each box, how many leaves are there? 5. How many groups? 4. So 5. What is the symbol of multiplication? Very good. That's good. Into. So how many groups? 4. So 5 into 4 equal to 20. Clear, children? So we just write each box how many numbers. First we'll write the number. Then how many groups? We'll just count and write how many groups. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll write 4. 5 into 4 equal to 20. Children, next we are going to see dot multiplication. Dot multiplication, we have horizontal row and vertical column. Horizontal row and vertical column. If you see in the star, we have a horizontal rows and vertical columns. Horizontal rows and vertical columns. Okay, shall we go to the example? Okay, can you look at this picture? Can you see this ball? Shall we count how many horizontal rows and vertical columns? Okay, shall we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 horizontal rows and vertical column. We are going to count vertical columns. So 1, 2 and 3. So we have horizontal rows 7 and then vertical column is 3. So how we can write 7 plus 7 plus 7. So 7 plus 7 plus 7 equal to 21. Otherwise how we can write 7. How many columns are there? 3. So 7 into 3 equal to 21. Shall we move to the next example? Okay, can you look at this picture? Now we are going to count how many rows and how many columns. Shall we count? That's good. Okay, shall we start counting? 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many rows we have? 4 rows. And how many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we have 5 columns. So how will you write? 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 equal to 20. Otherwise 4 into 5 equal to 20. Okay, shall we move to the next example? How many blue balls are there? Can you see the blue balls? Now I am going to be quiet. You are going to count and tell me. So how many rows and how many columns? Shall we count? Count and tell me how many rows and how many columns. Quick. Finish. Shall we check? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many rows we have? 5 rows. So we'll write it 5. Next, how many columns? Shall we count the columns? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7. So how will you write? 5 you have to write 7 times. So we'll get it 35. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. So equal to 35. Otherwise we can write 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 equal to 35. Easily how we can write? 5 into 7 equal to 35. Shall we move to the next sum? Okay, just listen, I will read the question. There are 4 toys in a box. How many toys will be there in 5 boxes? So first what we are going to do? We are going to write 4. So each box, how many toys will be there? 4. How many groups are there? 5. So first step, how will you write? 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 equal to 20. Otherwise, how will you write? How many, each box, how many toys are there? 4. So what is the symbol of multiplication? Yes, that's good, children. Into. And then how many groups are there? 5. So 4 into 5 equal to 20.
Can you look at this picture?
Yes, miss.
Now you're going to count and tell me how many smileys are there. First, you're going to count the rows and then column, then total.
Okay, miss. 1, 2, 3. Yes, 3 rows.
Super. Next, count the column.
Okay, miss. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Miss 5 columns. Excellent. Now tell me total number of smileys.
Okay, miss. 3 into 5 equal to 15.
Very good, child. Excellent. Awesome.
Children, now it's your activity time. Are you ready? Yes. Now take out your 3B notebook, take a new page and write today's date. Make it fast. Finish? Shall we move to the sum? Yes. Okay. How many apples are there in 4 plates? Now what you are going to do? You're going to do the sum. I will give you 30 seconds. Okay? Make it fast. Afterwards, I will check the answer. Your time starts now. Make it fast. How many apples are there in 4 plates? Quick. Just count and write. Okay? Make it fast. Quick, children. Quick. Finish? Okay. Shall we check? Tell me now. How many apples are there in 4 plates? Shall we count? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We have 5 apples. So how will you write? First we have to write 5. So how many plates? 4 plates. So 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. So 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 5, 20. So the answer is 20. Otherwise, how will you write? That's good. 5. So, how many groups are there? Very good. 4. What is the symbol of multiplication? That's good, children. So, we'll write into how many groups? 4 equal to 20. Very good. I hope you got these answers. Shall we move to the next sum? Yes. Okay. Now complete the table. See, here we have the rows. And how many rows and how many columns? Total number of rows. Okay, your time starts now. Make it fast. Quick. Just count the rows and column. Just count and write how many rows and how many columns. And then total number of rows. Make it fast. Quick. Quick, children. Only few seconds. Fast. Finish? Okay. Now tell me, how many rows? Shall we count the rows? Yes. 1, 2, 3. So how many rows we have? 3 rows. Okay, how many columns are there? 1, 2. So how many columns we have? 2. So how will you write? That's good. 3 plus 3 equal to 6. Otherwise, that's good, children. 3. What is the symbol? Into. How many groups? Sorry, how many columns are there? 2. So 3 into 2 equal to 6. Okay. Children, that's all for today's class. Take care. I will see you in the next video. Be safe. Bye.